I'm about to give you the 5 ways ChatGPT can be a game changer in transforming your business's social media presence. Let's get started. First up, content creation. One of the biggest challenges financial planners face is producing consistent and engaging content. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It can generate a plethora of content ideas and even draft tailored posts and articles tailored to the financial industry. The benefit? It saves you time, ensures a steady stream of relevant content, and boosts audience engagement. Start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm monthly concepts, then draft weekly posts or articles, personalizing them with your insight. Moving on to number 2, customer engagement. Engaging with your audience can be really challenging due to limited resources. ChatGPT can provide instant automated responses to frequently asked queries. Plus, it can analyze the feedback, giving you valuable insight into your audience's needs. This means increased customer satisfaction and content that really resonates with your audience. Implement automated Q&A sessions using ChatGPT for general financial advice. Regularly analyze audience feedback to fine-tune your strategies. Third, educational concepts and workshops. Financial concepts can be daunting. Educating your audience is crucial, but not always easy. Here's where ChatGPT shines again. It can help create educational materials and content for workshops. You enhance financial literacy and position yourself as a knowledgeable advisor. Use ChatGPT to draft outlines and FAQs for your webinar. With ChatGPT, you can also create a series of educational posts and videos. Number 4, trend analysis and insight generation. Keeping up with the latest financial trends and news is very time-consuming. ChatGPT can summarize financial trends and news, and even what your competitors are doing. This will keep your content fresh and relevant, and also ensures you're seen as a go-to expert in your field. Use ChatGPT to generate daily and weekly summaries of financial news. Share these insights with your customers, showing that you truly are the expert. Lastly, the challenge of generic marketing messages. They often fail to engage and motivate potential customers. ChatGPT can help you segment your audience and create personalized messaging. This boosts the effectiveness of your marketing campaign. It can also increase engagement rates and help build a stronger relationship with your customers. You can use ChatGPT to analyze audience interactions, and from there, segment them based on interest and goals. This will allow you to develop customized messaging for each segment. And there you have it. 5 powerful ways financial advisors can use ChatGPT to boost their social media marketing. Embrace these strategies as they'll not only save you, but also boost your online presence and client engagement. And if you're looking to implement these cutting-edge strategies, but need a little assistance on the way, Tribe Digital Marketing is here for you. We specialize in using ChatGPT to boost your marketing efforts. Visit us at tribedigital.ca to learn more.